Sol price consolidates near $100. Is $130 possible? Sol prices have been trading sideways with no clear directional bias. The recent price action shows signs of a consolidation that could result in a trend reversal as it approached a solid multi-week support zone on the daily time frame. Since November 2021 to April 2022, Sol prices have been consistently dropping with 3 lower highs and lows. These trend lines indicate a clear bearish pattern. Currently, the price is hovering around $100. Currently, the price is near the critical support zone, making bulls hopeful of a quick recovery. However, clearance above the upside filter at the 50-day EMA at $105.80 would be a healthy sign for the upside continuation. Alternatively, if the price fails to hold the session's low amid a spike in sell orders, the price would drag the price toward the horizontal support zone at $90. As of publication time, Sol USD is trading at 102.46, up 0.08% for the day. The 7th largest cryptocurrency is holding a 24-hour trading volume of $1,533,286,945 according to CoinMarketCap. So if you're interested in Solana, that is some technical analysis for you there. Up next here, some more about Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Will it be a win-win in the Ripple versus SEC case? Here's why. This week, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, versus Ripple lawsuit is set to reach a summary judgment. No one knows what the outcome of this case will be, but people have been sharing their guesses online. An attorney representing XRP token holders in the dispute, John Deaton, has proposal scenarios in which both parties can win. While recent developments in the long-running case have supported Ripple, Deaton stated on Twitter that the crypto company could still lose. Both parties will need to agree on some undisputed facts. And here's a tweet out by him. Both parties will meet this week, according to the XRP attorney, to deliberate on the summary judgment scheduling order. The commission could lose if the case is judged only on the basis of strict Howey analysis rather than fair notice, according to Deaton. Meanwhile, he pointed out that if the judge rules that Ripple is not complying with the fair notice requirement, they can choose for what many cryptocurrencies have done. I'm very interested to see how this case is going to turn out. The attorney emphasized that if the court rules that XRP is not a security, the ruling will only apply to the token. Deaton mentioned in a comment that the SEC wants to avoid a jury trial over the fair notice. The court owes the parties a duty of good faith, and neither of them can claim that it is unrelated to the dispute. The SEC was recently chastised by XRP holders who said the regulator had harmed their financial prospects. So who knows? I feel like this case is just dragging out. Who knows really where it's going to go? There's been some new developments on it, obviously, as we've been reading about. So we'll continue to update as we get more information on that. Up next here, Robinhood to acquire London-based crypto platform Ziglu. That looks pretty cool. Robinhood, the U.S. financial services company, is still active in the crypto scene. In a blog post, the organization disclosed that it had signed a deal with the London-based digital asset trading venue Ziglu Limited. Once approved by regulators, Robinhood will acquire the British company as it seeks to expand its operations into Europe. Ziglu's impressive team will guide Robinhood's operations on the old continent, according to Vlad Tenev, the CEO of the American firm. Ziglu CEO Mark Hipperson said that both parties have the same goals, such as working to reduce the barriers to entry for a new generation of investors. He asserted that Ziglu will help Robinhood expand and bring better access to crypto and its benefits to millions more customers. It says, together with the Ziglu team, will work to leverage both companies, exploring new ways to innovate and break down barriers for customers across the UK and Europe. Ziglu's users will experience no changes in the short term. In the long term, Robinhood will integrate the exchange more fully. Last week, the company enabled its customers to deal in 4 additional cryptocurrencies. These included the popular meme coins Shiba Inu, Solana, Polygon, and Compound. Steve Quirk, chief brokerage officer at Robinhood, said that the firm added those tokens as it strives to become the best place to invest in crypto. I'm sure there's a lot of debate on whether or not that statement is true. The executive maintained that the company has passed all safety procedures and remains committed to providing a safe and educational digital asset platform. The prices of all assets rose after the news as SHIB's spike was considerably more significant. So we'll see. Robinhood was getting a lot of heat Maybe this is them trying to make a comeback. Who knows? Binance Coin primed for 20% surge. BNB price to rally above $500 by April end. What do you guys think? You guys think that will happen? I always like to know what people's price predictions are and see who comes out right. In 2022, BNB completed its second auto burn, removing 1.84 million BNB tokens from circulation. This event could lead to a shortage of BNB tokens on exchanges, potentially causing a breakout in prices. After completing its auto burn, the price of BNB is expected to rise. 1.84 million BNB tokens were burnt, wiping out $741 million in Binance coins. The burn schedule reduces the amount of BNB in circulation over time, resulting in a supply shortfall. When the circulating supply decreases across exchanges, a price rally is usually triggered. Some people believe that a supply scarcity in BNB, combined with institutional demand for the cryptocurrency, will push the price upward. BNB is healthy, according to a pseudonymous crypto expert. The recent downside move corrected the token's price and set it up for its next impulsive move. A retest of the broken symmetrical triangle could take BNB to $510. What do you guys think? BNB is currently trading at $421. The altcoin has been following Cardano's price movements as the price nears the $424 resistance level. The BNB USDT pair could hit $440 if the bulls remain intact above $424 and buyers are able to hold on to their gains. However, if the rally continues, BNB prices could soon breach the $450 mark. And here the Crypto General tweeted out a little bit about that. Here's a chart there of some price action. I don't know. Pretty interesting to see. Up next, Ethereum consolidates gains. Indicators suggest more upside. I know we talked a bit on this yesterday. Ethereum surged in value and started to recover from its recent losses. The cryptocurrency was able to break past the $3,050 resistance zone, as well as the 100-hourly simple moving average. ETHUSD surged higher above the $3,060 and $3,080 resistance levels. The pair even traded above the $3,100 handle and formed a high at $3,131. It is currently consolidating gains and it might correct a few points in the near term. Ether is currently testing the 23.6% fib retracement level of the recent wave from the $2,880 swing low to $3,131 high. The price is trading above the $3,080 level and the 100-hourly simple moving average. If it continues to move higher, it could face resistance near the $3,090 level and a connecting bearish trend line on the same chart. There is potential for a strong rally near the $3,120 and $3,130 levels. Breaking above the $3,130 level could signal a steady upward move. The next major resistance could be near the $3,200 and $3,220 levels. If Ethereum fails to hold its value above the $3,090 level, it could start a decline. An initial support level on the downside is near the $3,080 zone. At the time of this writing, ETH is trading at 3,097.35 cents per token with a total market cap of $373.1 billion and still holding its place as the second highest coin in cryptocurrency. We'll see. Up next here, last but not least, Cardano ADA now has over 900 projects building on it. Input-output reveals. The Cardano blockchain has seen impressive growth with over 900 projects being developed on it. The team at Input Output has also announced a number of developments, including the launch of an ERC20 converter and the launch of Wing Riders. Input Output, with over 250,000 Twitter followers, tweeted that the number of Cardano projects is increasing every day. Cardano is seeing a lot of activity with developers building projects on its platform. These include NFT marketplaces, metaverse projects, gaming applications, decentralized exchanges, lending protocols, oracles, and stablecoin issuers. The cryptocurrencies network has been steadily growing since the Alonzo hard fork brought smart contracts to it. I know a lot of people are interested in building on Cardano versus Ethereum, I think due to lower fees. This improvement has allowed it to compete with blockchain like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Solana. Cardano's upcoming Vassal hard fork is expected to bring a massive performance improvement. The number of wallets being created within the Cardano blockchain has already grown by over 500,000 so far this year. 453,000 of those wallets were created in the first quarter, according to Crypto Globe report. Projects building on Cardano have counted on support from some celebrities, including the American rapper Snoop Dogg, who launched an NFT collection that features unreleased music. Interestingly, Cardano's native currency ADA had a positive return of 18.4% in June, according to Crypto Compare's latest asset report. So we'll see. I'm sure we'll hear more. There's a lot of projects that are continuing to build on Cardano, as we see all the time. Cardano is very favorable in a lot of, big minds in crypto. So I'm sure that's why they have a great team behind them as well. Make sure to always do your own research before trading, investing into anything. Never take anything that we say as financial advice. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below on what you want to see in a future video, and we'll see you next time.